So I made it out and I did wear my top. Which bottom am I wearing? I'll share that later. But first, let me share where I'm going. So I am going to this place called the Place to Be. It is so beautiful out here. Like, it is just beautiful. Look at these chairs. They go perfectly with my outfit. Am I taking a picture beside them? Absolutely. And there's more outdoor dining here. It is so lovely. Okay, so it is not disappointing. It is beautiful. Egg chairs in a restaurant. How cool. I do not have to tell you how beautiful this place was. You can see it. And the music was setting the perfect tone. The yellow, the gold, the black and white stripes. Oh, amazing. Even their water glass was cute. I wanted to try the egg chair, of course, because why wouldn't I? But because I was there in the middle of the week and I was there during lunchtime, I had the pick of the litter. So, of course, I tried everything. I tried a booth because yellow goes with brown skin. What doesn't? I sat down to get myself situated, but the egg chairs were calling my name. And who am I to not answer? So I tried an egg chair. If anyone knows how to sit elegantly in a swinging chair when you're a woman of a certain age, please let me know. How beautiful are the egg chairs. I should sit in one of these. I thought I'd choose this one. This is beautiful too. The music was great in giving the right vibe, but because of copyright infringement, I do not want to keep playing the music that was in the background. So you'll have to listen to my voice. But trust me, you could tell the music was popping, it was on point, it was giving the right energy, it was giving the right vibe. These chairs are cute and all, and they make for a great Instagram photo or video, but they were not conducive to working. It's a working lunch, as it always is, and so I had to move to something more stable. Now on to what I ate, because apparently that's important. I had a Greek omelette with some fruits, and I also had a biscuit, and later I'm going to have a signature milkshake. This thing was a behemoth. It was beautiful. I am not a sugar person, but I thought I'd have a little fun with this one. But as much as I enjoyed it, I could not finish it. It had cotton candy, it had sprinkles, it had ice cream, it had marshmallows. There's nothing that this milkshake did not have. It was delicious. After my brunch, I stayed for maybe another hour working, and then I left. Because, as I always say, all good things must come to an end. Thanks for coming along with me to my long lunch at the Place to Be in West Hartford, Connecticut. I'm checking Connecticut restaurants off my list, and this one is going near the top for ambiance, decor, and the food. I enjoyed my Greek omelette. I'm Gail. Thanks for watching.